Hello, my name is Miss Sade, and today I'm going to be reading a book to you called Ellie. On a bright winter day, when Ellie was just finishing her lunch, the zookeeper came with a big announcement. "Gather around," Walt called. "I have some news." "It's a sad day," he said. "The zoo is closing." The animals were heartbroken. "There must be something we can do," Ellie whispered to her friends. "The zoo is our home." "Perhaps we can spruce it up a bit," Gerald suggested. Gerald always had good ideas. "I'll prune the trees," Lucy said, nibbling a leaf. "If only my trunk were longer," said Ellie. "I'll move this rock," Gerald huffed, clearing it off the path. "If only my muscles were bigger," said Ellie. "We've already cleaned here," said the monkeys. "What can I do to help?" Ellie wondered. Aw, she's very sad. She wants to know what she could do to help save the zoo. It seemed like everyone had a talent. Everyone but Ellie. Ellie thought she'd ask Walt to give her a job, but he was busy too. When the monkeys called him away, Ellie picked up the strange object he'd been holding. It had a smooth wood on one side and prickly hairs on the other. Ellie gave it a try. When Walt returned and saw her creation, he sprinted back down the path without a word. Had she ruined the wall, she thought? Soon she heard a wagon with a squeaky wheel turn the corner. Maybe Walt did like her painting. Ellie added color here and a rainbow there. There were so many walls to color and so many colors to try. Ellie painted all of her friends. She painted the smartest one and the quietest ones. Word spread of Ellie's talents. "Ellie the artist," they all shouted. People came from all over the city to have their portraits painted. Some came with balloons, others came with awards. Ellie even painted Mr. Mayor with a smile. Soon people from around the world came to see Ellie, the remarkable painting elephant. Lucy hosted the crowds as they arrived at the zoo. Gerald tours through Ellie's art gallery. And on a bright spring day, with crowds cheering him on, Walt declared, "We are open for good." And all thanks to Ellie. The end. Thank you guys for listening. Hello guys. Now we're going to do an art project to go with our book that we just read, Ellie. So what you need is a white sheet of paper, a white crayon. So we're going to do some watercolor paints. So you need a cup of water and some watercolors. So what you want your mommies and daddies to do is to write your name in the white crayon. So I'm going to write Sade. All right. Then we're going to paint over it. So I'm going to use some red color. So just like Ella or Ellie, we're going to make a beautiful picture. And then once you do it all over like this, you will see that your name's going to start showing up. It's like magic, like you're writing invisible letters. I'm going to do a yellow. I think I'm going to do a color for every letter of my name. I'm going to do an A. And then I think I'm going to do a green for my next one. Green. And last but not least is my blue. Look at my water, guys. Like changing like a green color. I wonder what color is going to change once I add the blue to it. Be interesting to know. I'm going to add, there go my E. See what color is going to change. Yeah, it looks like a darker green kind of look. So when it's all done, there go my name. Sade. And some pretty colors. So just like Ellie did in the book, she made beautiful colors to paint. That's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to go home and, paint with some beautiful watercolor. Thank you so much for watching me. Have a great day. Hello guys, I just wanted to show you my finished project. As you can see the S, the A, the D, and the E. I used a lot of bright, colorful, I used red, some yellow, some green, some blues. So I just wanted to show you my finished project. Thank you guys so much for doing this project with me. Hope to see you soon. Bye.